guys, in today's video we're gonna make an egg salad sandwich. I'm also gonna share with you the tips of how to make it so that it stays fresh and not soggy till lunch. Hey, I'm Laura and welcome to MOMables. If you're new here, I'm thrilled to have you. I've been packing lunches for quite a while, and if you've been around, you know that all of these lunch ideas include lots of packing tips because we want things like our bread to stay super nice and fresh until lunch, especially if you're packing wet ingredients like egg salad, which can sometimes not make it so well. So my first tip for you is to use something like lettuce to create a barrier between the bread and the egg salad. Let's place the lettuce leaves right here one on each side. Now I'm just taking my egg salad and placing a nice generous scoop on top of the lettuce. If you made your own egg salad, you put in there all the seasonings and spices and the recipe that you love, but store-bought egg salad tends to be a little bit bland. So what I like to do is take my favorite all-purpose seasoning, or you could use taco or Creole or Cajun seasoning to give this salad a little bit of more flavor. Of course, you could just use salt and pepper and call it a day. And then I just take this side of my sandwich and close it. I'm gonna tell you about how to get this sandwich in the lunchbox and keep it fresh until lunch. But if you are struggling with packing lunches every day that offer nutrition and a little variety, make sure to go in the description box and grab a copy of my free Lunchbox Builder printable. You're gonna get a list of ingredients, a way to mix and match them so you can make 5-minute lunches every day without the overwhelm. Whether you take your sandwich in one piece and place it in a lunch container or slice it, one great tip is to make sure that the sandwich fits nice and snug inside of the compartment of the lunch container so it doesn't move around and the egg salad stays in place. In the other compartment, I'm also going to add some carrots for more veggies and nutrition. I have a kiwi here that I diced up into pieces, and I'm also gonna add some blueberries to the kiwi. By the way, did you know that you can use frozen fruit to build your lunch boxes? You totally can. These are actually frozen blueberries that I'm simply gonna pack in there with my kiwi. Now, before I place this lunch in the lunch bag, I'm gonna grab an ice pack and place it in there too, so this lunch stays nice and cool until lunch, and all I have to do is zip it up and this lunch is ready. For the best ice packs for your lunches, as well as other awesome and easy lunch ideas, check the description box. And if you're subscribed, I will see you next week on our next lunch idea. See you soon.